Today we're going to compare La Cornue and Wolf, primarily comparing ranges as La Cornue is really only a range company. So let's start really here with La Cornue.
Let's dive right in. Chateau and CornuFe are their two suites. Starting with Chateau, really an ultra luxury piece. This is at the very top of the food chain cost-wise, but it is an heirloom, hand-tuned, handmade piece out of France. They actually air freight this piece. Yeah. It can be fully customized, varying selections, but customized down to the fit, feel, finish, any RAL color you want. Known for really some unique systems. It has convection in the oven, but doesn't have traditional fan assisted. It is an arched cavity inside, so creates a natural convection film. It has French top burners where there are multiple rings, and as you slide the pan out, they get hotter and colder. But they have integrated some new technology, even like induction. So it's an old world company, really looking for that customer who says, hey, come and look at me. Then you have the CornuFe range, which probably price point wise matches closer, actually a little less expensive than Wolf ranges. Two sizes there really, 36, 44, and then they make in their 44s two ovens, two totally different temperature controls, and not quite big in their own right, but fit full turkeys in both sides. So it's kind of a very unique animal. Gives you still that finish and the feel and that design element of some pre-selected colors and metals that you can put with it, but just not the full-on customization as the Chateau line, and certainly not the price tag along with it.
Yeah, absolutely. And really when you get to Wolf, almost really a completely different product than what you're going to get with the La Cornues on either one of them, where La Cornue says really a statement piece, no kind of electronic controls, really all knob driven. Wolf really gives you all that, certainly in their dual fuel line. So in their dual fuel line with the gas top or the induction, so gas or induction top with the electric oven underneath, really what they have in those ranges that's really nice is that Wolf Gourmet mode. So it's the guided cooking, touch screen, really easy to use. So really walks you through how to cook anything from a roast, fish, casserole, whatever it may be, anything from where in the oven to put it, what rack, where to put the temperature probe, really walks you through doing all that. The other thing that's really nice in their dual fuel range is the convection system. Typically in convection systems, you'll have fans in the back, 1 or 2 fans. They use what they call a verticross convection. And really it's the fans up and down the side, and it actually gives you a little bit of a bigger oven. So the oven kind of is concave back, a little bit deeper there as well. And then really when you talk about their tops, one of the best, I'd say, simmering ranges that's out there. In their dual fuel, they use all dual stack burners, and you're able to really get down to a low simmer on any burner there. They go up to 22,000 BTU, so you really get that high power. So their dual fuel ranges, phenomenal, truly, probably one of, if not the best dual fuel range on the market. I would say if you're looking at their all gas range, that really hasn't been updated nearly as recently as their dual fuel. So a little bit more outdated there. You lose a lot of those features like we just talked about. Still a good range, but the dual fuel range, I would say, is definitely where Wolf stands apart.
Yeah, so who's who here? I think the Wolf customer is somebody just like that intends to use it, likes the guided cooking, wants a piece that certainly holds its value, has a quality reputation story, the red knobs, although they make different colors now, and really is kind of that quintessential luxury piece. And then you have the La Cornue customer looking to maybe do something different, make more of a statement, and make more of a focal point, and something that really stands out to everyone when you see that picture.
Like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more appliance tips and updates, follow us at social media at Yale Appliance. Stay informed and inspired. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.